Hey, Chef, it's Mike. I've got an opportunity for you to become the face of a restaurant. All right, this is a really cool job that I want to tell you about briefly here. All right, this is an organization, they've got a restaurant that is actually doing very well, but they want to bring in a star chef. They want to make you a star. They want to advertise you as being their new star chef. Now, the restaurant's doing well. They just want you to come and take it to that next level. Be creative. You know, make fresh menu items depending on the time of year. Farm to table, baby. It's modern. They're going to give you a ton of support. It's a great company to work for, too. A lot of room for advancement. They're building hotels and restaurants all over the country, bigger and better. Now, the salary is going to be probably in the 70s. Full relocation. You might be asking yourself, where's this bad boy located? Well, I'm going to give you a little hint to that. It's in the Midwest. Great place to live. All right. I'll tell you, man, I'll give you a little bit more. All right. It's not too far from Columbus, Ohio. Not too far from Cleveland. Not too far from Pittsburgh. I promise you, you'll love living here, though. All right. Now, if this opportunity sounds like it might be intriguing to you, shoot me a private message. Let me know that you might be interested. I will tell you every single thing I know about it, I promise. We'll have a real productive conversation. It'll take 10 minutes. Or you can send me an email too, mike@dineinrecruiting.com. Would love to hear from you. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.